Oh, Ted's in the background. Hey everybody, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser and welcome to In the Cut, where we have lots of people in the background today. And on In the Cut, we just watch the laser do its thing with many different lasers that we have and all the kinds of different applications. Now today's application, we had somebody dress up as a ninja for Halloween, and we wanted to add some designs to their actually throwing knives. Now, I did this on the Muse earlier. I did 3 knives at once. What's really cool about the Muse is that I could put the 3 throwing knives in there and take a picture and then drag my designs on top of that and then just line them up. And that's what's great about the camera feature on the Muse. Now, if you're interested in the Muse, which is a CO2 laser, it can't mark bare metal, but it can mark painted or anodized metal. So if you're interested in that, there is a sale going on, $5,500, and that gets you everything rotary, riser, and yeah, so if you're interested in that, check it out, and if not, just watch the Galvo do its thing. It took about 4 minutes on the Muse, which is a CO2 laser again, and it's going to be really fast on the Galvo machine, which is a fiber source, and we'll go ahead and check that out right now. So that was a bit lackluster because it only took 5 seconds in comparison. Oh, yeah, these are good. To do the little cat ninjas on top of these throwing knives. 5 seconds in comparison to 3 or 4 minutes, depending on your DPI situation. Now, I just wanted to give a very happy birthday to our friend John, who always tunes in, and it's my birthday too. I hope you guys have a great Halloween. And if you want to check out the comparison of the CO2 versus the Galvo fiber marking, please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're not live, we'll post it at the end of this video. And until next time, keep making.
Hey guys, if you guys want to subscribe to the videos, it's right over here. And if you want to watch more, you can watch them over here. Thanks.